I just met my first backpacker today, finally. ¿Cuál es tu nombre?
Julian.
Julian. And Mikey, and yeah, I got to speak a little Spanish today. That's cool.
Cheese. Kittel სუხდება.
Oh, pickle. Yeah.
Смотри. Хороший. Захароший.
Захароший.
О.
Хороший. Захароший. So apparently there's nowhere to camp around here, so
Padri.
So Padri's gonna give me a ride to wherever I guess there's camping, so I'll figure out what's going on with that. Here's my bike back here. It's definitely gonna fall over. Едь camping там.
Я не знаю.
Okay.
По-грузински кет ката.
Kata.
Дог загли.
Zagli.
Загли. Загли.
Georgian's very hard. It's all about the pronunciations, whereas Russian's all about the grammar. Just pushing my bike up this hill. Hopefully I'll find a place to camp. I don't know how secluded or safe it will be, but it's a place to sleep. Georgia really reminds me of Guatemala. Just really nice people, insane drivers. The smell of smoked meat and incinerated garbage just kind of like permeates the air. It kind of sounds like I'm making a joke, but honestly, I do find comfort in it. It's like I'm reminiscent of some place in which I didn't grow up. In the morning, I'm just gonna have to shoot back down on the road and keep going because I definitely did not make the amount of kilometers that I was supposed to make today. So apparently there's no way to get through here. It's just barbed wire and branches. I mean, I could squeeze a way through, but it looks like somebody doesn't want people to come through here. So I'm not gonna mess with it. I think I'm just gonna camp right over there and leave before sunrise so I don't have some farmer coming up and giving me some issues. Or giving me breakfast. I don't know which would happen out here. I honestly don't really know what would happen if somebody caught me here at night or in the morning. All I know is how to say, "Ya turist, ya turist. Ya turist, ya turist." I'm not homeless, I'm a tourist. I'm both actually, but I'm more of a tourist than a homeless guy. It is cold. It's 8:15. I woke up at 6:15, so it was 2 hours to eat and get my tent all set up and get dressed and everything. That's not too bad. I'd somehow lost a little adapter that goes to my microphone, so hopefully I find that soon. Also, I found out that the little bracket down here that keeps my bag from doing this has broken off. Basically, what I'm trying to say is that my life is in shambles right now. Since I'm so far behind schedule already, I'm just gonna stick to the freeway for a while today just to clock in some kilometers. And I'm not exactly sure where I'm gonna stop. I'm just gonna ride till it starts to get dark, and then I'll pull over wherever I am and camp again. Yeah, hip with the cow scene.